Hello friends. This video is brought to you by mywayteaching.com.
Let us read the question. Suppose we throw a dice once. What is the probability of getting a number greater than 4? And what is the probability of getting a number less than or equal to 4? Let us start by defining an event E, getting a number greater than 4. We know that when we throw a dice once, the possible outcomes are getting a 1 or a 2 or a 3 or a 4 or a 5 or a 6. Out of these, how many suit our event, which is getting a number greater than 4? Clearly, 2 out of the all possible outcomes suit our event. Then probability of getting a number greater than 4, that is probability of event E, is equal to 2 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 3. Now let us do the second part of the question, which is to find the probability of getting a number less than or equal to 4. So we defined an event F to be getting a number less than or equal to 4. Now, how many outcomes are favorable to our event F? Clearly 1, 2, 3 and 4 will suit our event F. Hence, probability of the event F will be 4 by 6, that is 2 by 3. To understand complementary events, let us consider an example. Say the experiment is to throw a dice once and we define two events. E1 is getting a number greater than 4 and E2 is getting a number less than or equal to 4. Then probability of E1 is 2 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 3, and probability of the event E2 is 4 by 6, which is equal to 2 by 3. If we add the two probabilities, that is probability of E1 plus probability of the event E2, we are getting 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, that is 3 by 3, equal to 1. We note here that getting a number not greater than 4 is same as getting a number less than or equal to 4. So actually event E2 can be also written as getting a number not greater than 4. In other words, our event E2 is basically not happening of E1. We can represent not happening of E1 by E1 bar. In general, if we have an event F, then probability of not happening of F will be probability of F bar, and probability of happening of F is probability of F, and probability of F plus probability of F bar is equal to 1. Like in this case, probability of event E1 plus probability of not happening of the event E1 is equal to 1. In general, it is true that for an event E, probability of E bar is equal to 1 minus the probability of E, and the events E and E bar are called complementary events. In other words, the event E bar represents not E is called the complement of event E.